Hi guys! How's it going? This is Tam again, and for someone who here for the first time ever, this channel will help you to improve your IELTS band score from 5 to 7.
From 5 to 7.
Especially in speaking and writing. Remember that I use as many simple vocabularies as I can in my video to prove you the fact that numerous advanced vocabularies boosting your IELTS band score at times may not be the case. I'd rather focus on the 4 marking criteria to show you the bigger picture and help you to improve your IELTS band score. A little bit about my IELTS band score. Last year, once upon a time, 2019, I took the test and I scored 8.5 in reading, 8 in listening, 7.5 in speaking, and 6.5 in writing. As I will post my new material every Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday every week, they definitely match your self-study and pace. Besides, I'm currently working here in New Zealand and I do enjoy cooking at times. In my videos, you guys will see some of the New Zealand beautiful nature, Kiwi ordinary life, and the Vietnamese cuisines. By the way, I'm from Vietnam. Hello everyone. So guys, this week's question will appear shortly.
Are you ready, guys, to answer the question? 3, 2, 1. I would like to talk about my colleague's questionnaire I did last year at the end of the course. The question asked for my opinion about teaching material, facility, and how much I enjoy the course. I couldn't remember exactly what the reason was, but I guess it's probably because my colleague wanted to know their students' comments on the business course to enhance their teaching experience. If I had not decided to study here in New Zealand, I would not have had a chance to come to know about this type of questionnaires, which was not so common in my country. I remember I gave them my honest feedback, which was expected by the school management team. Mainly their facilities and material did draw my attention the most. For example, the Apple PCs urged me to stay in the college library longer than I could expect. Further, the lecturers who had years of experience running businesses motivated us to study hard and gain real experience via internship. Those actually enhanced my learning experience the most. Actually, the program met my former expectations. As a result, on the last day at college, I was so delightful and satisfied to give my feedback on the one-year course. Another thing was the way they built up the questionnaire was so professional so that they can listen to the honest feedback from the students. In specific, all the questions were detailed and all open-ended, so the student needed to give the explanation for their answers. You know, it's actually make me love my colleague even more.
Thank you guys for your attention today. I do appreciate that. Actually, last Sunday I went to the Mercer Bay, and over there I had such a life-changing experience because the sceneries was so stunning and breathtaking actually. So I would love to share it with you today. So I hope this will help you a little bit with your IELTS preparation, and good luck to someone who's going to take the test very soon. If you're not ready yet, don't worry. Keep calm, drink your cup of tea, coffee or bubble tea, and let's IELTS. So guys, for now, take care and enjoy the sceneries. Take care guys, until next time. Bye bye. Chào chào, tạm biệt.
Mercer Bay Loop Walk is a popular hiking area known for scenic views of a picturesque rugged coastline and shady areas.